What's up, friends and followers? Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement. Today I want to talk to you about the top bathroom tile choices for 2022. So coming in at number one is large format tile. The benefit of large format tile is that the grout lines can be smaller, thinner, and it's way easier to maintain those grout lines. In addition, the surface is obviously larger and it's easier to keep those clean. Beyond that, large format tile comes in a variety of different textures and colors. And so if you're in a position right now and you're kind of on the fence what to look for, large format is definitely in. All right, coming in at number two is subway tile. Typically, subway tile is a white tile. Usually it doesn't have a lot of texture, but nowadays it's come in with a lot of different texture. The cool thing about subway tile, it does come in a dimension that is twice as wide as it is tall. Usually it's installed in a 50% stack pattern or overlap. And what really is cool about that solid white color or contrast is that it allows you to create more pop, and in the environment, it's a brighter space, and it will help accent any fixtures or finishes that you spend a lot of time figuring out and making pop. All right, coming in at number three, tile texture. You don't just have to have a smooth, shiny finish on your tile. In fact, now it's even more common to have a texture or a faux finish to make it look like something it's not, whether it be wood or it may look like the ripple effect in a water pattern. Either way, texture brings a lot of cool added feature and unique characteristics to your new bathroom space. All right, on to number four. Patterns are gonna reflect your style, so make sure that you're collaborating with your interior designer, your tile installation contractor, or your general contractor on this. Usually your tile is gonna be installed in either a diagonal format, a stacked format, a herringbone. There's a variety of different ways this can be done, but again, it's gonna reflect whatever the overall style and characteristics are that you're hoping to incorporate in this new transformed space. All right, here we are at number five. Don't hesitate to bring the warmth of wood into your shower space. It is now very common that you can see the texture of wood or faux finishes that look like wood in a tile. But what's even cooler is if you've got someone that's creative enough to create a platform out of teak or create something very unique in your space that incorporates wood. It's gonna bring in that warmth and that cozy feeling and make this place feel like that spa that you've dreamed of. All right, we landed on number six. Now I want to talk to you about color. Yes, white is often the most popular color. There's a couple reasons for that. Mainly because it makes your space feel larger than it really is. But beyond that, it just looks clean, it's good hygiene. And with colors, typically it'll shrink the space and you'll find yourself having someone over to repoint grout often because you'll see specks that don't look good or you'll see spots on the tile that you just don't like. For a larger bathroom space, consider neutral tones. Stay more in the natural colors that are gonna be incorporated in the remaining space of the house. That way it pulls things together. And like I said, it just gives it a very simple character that matches the look that you're going for. All right, so we've landed on number seven, and I wanna talk to you about mosaic accent walls, borders, and patterns. All three are really cool to incorporate in your bathroom space to give you that luxurious feel and really make everything come together. If you're thinking that you'd like an accent wall or a really cool border pattern on the floor, make sure that you incorporate this on the front end. There is a lot of measuring and there are details that need to be done in the format and the layout so that it makes sense and it fits within any shelving that you're going to install or can carry over to the other look in the rest of the room. All right, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If this information was informative to you, please like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the cool YouTube stuff. And as always, if your house is overdue for a redo, call Lakeview.